Hello everybody and welcome to the LineDotArrow May Journal Challenge 2024 drawing for Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group. Now we've already done the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group drawing, and so that's a separate video, so look for that on the YouTube channel and posted on the participating groups pages. Okay, because there's other groups, Savage Art and Two Sisters GM and LineDotArrow Junk Journal Group and Sweet Pea Papers and Junk Journal Tutorials and more. So it will be posted in all those places. Plus, of course, you can just catch it on the YouTube channel. The one thing else, there's a couple things. The first place prize is 3 digital kits, Junk Journal kits from LineDotArrow. The second place prize is 2 kits by LineDotArrow, and the third place prize is 1 kit by LineDotArrow, and this is open internationally since it's a digital prize, and so you don't have to worry about that. Make sure to contact me if you win to claim your prize, and I will tell you how to get your digital kit from LineDotArrow. All right, okay, so we're starting off at Junk Journal Tutorials and More, and then we're going to go over to the random number generator, and let's see, we had, oh, look at that, oh no, here we go, line.jjtm, okay, we had 66 entries, and we're going to, this was from the last drawing, so this number is not a number from this drawing. So for the third place prize of 1 Junk Journal kit from LineDotArrow, the winner's going to be, oh, look at that, number 66, which is going to be Elizabeth Scott. So she got third place. And fill that in yellow to make it easier for me to see. I don't know why that one's outlined. Okay. Now let's go for the second place prize. Number 23. And way back up here. Sandrachenko. She's won before in other drawings, so congratulations. She got second place. That's 2 digital Junk Journal kits. I do that extra square so I can mark whether it's been claimed or not. And then now let's go ahead for the first place, which is 3 Junk Journal kits from LineDotArrow. Number 49. Sandra Dyer. Sandra seems to win every month from somewhere, not necessarily from one of my 2 groups, but somewhere. First place, congratulations. Whoops, place, not placed. Okay, now if you're one of the winners, to get a hold of me to claim your prize, you can do that one of 2 places, and I'm going to put this up on the screen. It's going to be sweetpeapapers2020@gmail.com. Just shoot me off an email, and I'll send you back the instructions on how to claim your prize. Or you can get a hold of me through Facebook Messenger, and that's going to be Terry, S as in Sue, and last name is Lee, L-E-E. So it's going to be Terry S. Lee. And you've got 3 days to claim your prize. So that's going to be June 5th at midnight Pacific time. So that gives you till 3 a.m. if you live on the East Coast. So that's a good deal for you. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm not sure if I've left anything out. Oh, yeah, I guess that's it. There was something else I said in the other video, and now I don't remember what it was. So, yeah. Yeah. So be sure to check out, oh, that's it. Be sure to check out all 5 Facebook groups, the Savage Art Facebook group, the Two Sisters Jam Facebook group, LineDotArrow Junk Journal group, Facebook group, and Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group for the winter videos. And then the next one, that's what it is. The next challenge starts this month. The kit was posted today at it's a collaboration kit between LineDotArrow and Nonstop Paper Crafts. And so you can get half of the kit at LineDotArrow and half of the kit at Nonstop Paper Crafts on Etsy. That means there's an extra Facebook group in the challenge for this month, and that's going to be the Nonstop Paper Crafts site. And so we're going to have more prizes. We're also going to have freebies every week. And of course the challenges. The challenges are going to start on the 8th, and so are the freebies. And the freebies will run for the first 3 weeks of the month. All right, so get ready for that. Go ahead and pick up the copies of your kit, or it's called Essential Ephemera Bundle. So go pick that up. If you're going to use the kits, or the kit, parts of the kit, 2 parts, or if you're going to wait, then grab the freebies and start your post from there. Okay? All right. So this is more information than I gave in the other one about this week's or this month's challenge and drawings and such. So, yeah, be sure to post in all 5 groups because there's going to be a drawing in each group. All right. All right. Well, that's it for this video. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video, which is going to be Spring Bake video 3. And that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay. Bye-bye.